Can I be honest? A lot of small business owners don't realise they've set up payroll incorrectly until the ATO, Fair Work, or an employee points it out. And sometimes the mistake started with something tiny, like choosing the wrong pay setup or forgetting a super detail. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the payroll basics every Australian small business owner should know, in plain English. By the end of this video, you'll understand what payroll actually includes, what you legally need to do, and the common mistakes that get businesses into trouble. Let's get started. When most people think payroll, they think you pay staff and that's it. But payroll is actually a whole system happening behind the scenes. You're not just transferring money to employees, you're also withholding tax, calculating super, tracking leave, reporting to the ATO, and keeping records. And honestly, that's why payroll can feel overwhelming when you first hire someone. But once the setup is right, it becomes way easier to manage. Now, here's where things can snowball quickly. A $20 payroll mistake doesn't stay a $20 mistake if it happens every week for 2 years. That's when businesses suddenly discover unpaid super or underpayments, ATO penalties, or very awkward employee conversations. And the scary part is, most payroll mistakes aren't intentional. It's usually just, I didn't know the setup was wrong. And that's why getting the foundations right early matters so much. Before you even process your first pay run, here's one thing you need to set up first: PAYG withholding registration. This is what allows you to legally withhold tax from employee wages. And surprisingly, some businesses hire staff before realizing they actually need to register first. So, if you're planning to employ someone soon, make sure this is already sorted with the ATO. Now, technically, yes, payroll can be done manually. But honestly, for most businesses in 2026, payroll software is almost essential, because good payroll software will calculate your tax automatically, track employee leave, create employee payslips, and report through single touch payroll directly to the ATO. And this is a huge deal because single touch payroll reporting is no longer optional for most employers. So instead of manually sending payroll information to the ATO, the software does it during each pay run, which means fewer mistakes and a lot less stress. Okay, this is the part people rush through and regret later. Before paying an employee, you need the correct tax file number declaration, super details, bank details, and employment agreement. And missing just one of these can create problems later. For example, if you don't have super details ready, you may need to use a default fund instead. And if employment terms aren't documented properly, that can become messy very quickly. So this step feels boring, but it protects both you and your employees. This next step is more important than people realize, because once you enter pay rates, leave settings, and pay frequency into your software, those settings affect every single pay run after that. So if something is wrong here, it just keeps repeating. That's why businesses sometimes accidentally underpay staffs for months without noticing. You want to make sure pay rates are correct, leave accruals are correct, and employees are classified properly, especially if awards or penalty rates apply. So, what does payroll actually look like week to week? Well, usually it's checking hours, reviewing wages, approving the pay run, and processing payments. But the important part is this: don't just click process without reviewing it, because payroll software is only as accurate as the information entered into it. So always check the wages, super, leave, and tax amounts before finalizing. That tiny review step can save you from huge headaches later. And something else employers need to start paying attention to is payday super. This means super contributions are moving closer to being paid at the same time employees are paid, instead of only quarterly. So getting your payroll processes organized now is going to become even more important moving forward, because businesses with messy payroll systems are going to feel that pressure first. Now, let's talk about payslips, because your employees might never look at your bookkeeping, but they will look at their payslip. And if something looks wrong, they notice immediately. In Australia, payslips must generally be provided within 1 working day of payment, and they need to clearly show things like earnings, tax withheld, super, and deductions. So payslips aren't just admin paperwork, they're proof of what happened in your payroll. Here are some of the most common payroll mistakes I see small businesses make. Incorrect super. That one is probably the most common. And then there's incorrect tax withheld, wrong leave balances, missed pay slips, or incorrect pay rates. And usually these happen because payroll was rushed or the setup was never reviewed properly. So even if payroll feels repetitive, it's worth slowing down and checking things carefully. Okay, record keeping. Nobody starts a business because they love keeping payroll records, but this part is so important. You need to keep records of pay slips, pay rates, super payments, leave balances, and employee agreements. And if there's ever an employee dispute or ATO review, these records become incredibly important. Good payroll records don't just help with compliance. They make your entire business easier to run. They help with BAS preparation, tax time, employee questions, and fixing mistakes quickly. And honestly, organized payroll records can save hours of stress later, especially when your business starts growing. Thanks for watching Simple Books with Sheridan. If this video helped make payroll feel a little less confusing, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple bookkeeping and tax explanations for Australian businesses. And if there's a payroll topic you'd like me to cover next, leave it in the comments. And as always, this is general information only, so speak to a professional for advice specific to your situation. So let's quickly recap the big things to remember. Payroll isn't just paying wages. You'll also need to manage tax, super, reporting, payslips, and record keeping. You also need PAYG withholding registration, STP enabled software, correct employee setup, and accurate records. And the earlier you get payroll set up properly, the easier everything becomes later.